Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix the wireless charging not working on Samsung A37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon. After click on this power icon, click on restart. Again click on restart and click on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on battery. After click on battery, scroll down and click on charging settings and turn on fast wireless charging button. After turn on fast wireless charging button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so click on again settings app, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix the wireless charging not working issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.